Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a snack that you probably know and love, kerupuk. You might have seen or tasted these crunchy delights in Indonesia or other parts of Southeast Asia, but how much do you really know about them? Stick around because we're about to uncover some surprising facts about kerupuk that will make you appreciate them even more. Let's get started. Did you know that kerupuk has been a part of Southeast Asian cuisine for centuries? It's believed that the idea of making these crispy snacks originated from the need to preserve food. In the past, seafood or tapioca was often dried and fried to prevent spoilage, creating the delicious crunchy texture we all love today. Some historical records even suggest that kerupuk was a popular snack in Indonesia as early as the 9th century. Kerupuk isn't just one thing. There are actually hundreds of varieties of kerupuk made from a wide range of ingredients like shrimp, fish, cassava, rice, and even vegetables. Each region in Indonesia has its own unique version, reflecting local tastes and available ingredients. For instance, kerupuk udang, shrimp crackers, is one of the most popular types and is known for its savory and umami flavor, while kerupuk kulit is made from cow or buffalo hide, giving it a unique chewy texture before frying. Ever wondered why kerupuk puffs up so much when it's fried? The secret lies in its preparation. Most kerupuk is first sun-dried to reduce moisture, making them extremely light. When they hit the hot oil, the little moisture that's left inside turns into steam, causing the kerupuk to expand and create that delightful crunch. It's almost like magic happening in the frying pan. Kerupuk is more than just a snack. In Indonesia, it's a common accompaniment to many dishes, from soto ayam to nasi goreng. The crunch adds a textural contrast that Indonesians find irresistible. Some even say a meal isn't complete without a side of kerupuk. It's also a popular topping for gado-gado and other salads, adding a satisfying crunch. It can also double up as a utensil. In many parts of Indonesia, especially in informal settings, people use kerupuk to scoop up rice, noodles, or other dishes. The large, flat varieties are perfect for this purpose, adding both function and flavor to the dining experience. Did you know that there are actual kerupuk eating contests in Indonesia? During the annual Independence Day celebrations on August 17th, you can find people participating in fun games, and one of them is a kerupuk eating contest. Contestants have to eat a piece of kerupuk hanging from a string without using their hands. It's a hilarious and popular event that brings a lot of laughter and joy. Kerupuk is not just famous in Indonesia. This crispy delight has traveled beyond Southeast Asia and is gaining popularity worldwide. In the Netherlands, for example, it's known as kroephoek, thanks to the historical ties between the two countries. You can find kerupuk in Asian grocery stores around the globe, where it's enjoyed by people from all walks of life. So next time you see a bag of kerupuk, know that you're enjoying a snack with a truly international fan base. Kerupuk has a symbolic value in Indonesian culture. In some traditional Javanese ceremonies, kerupuk is used as part of offerings to deities or ancestors. It symbolizes simplicity and humility, as it is a food that is both humble in origin and universally loved. This reflects the cultural significance of kerupuk beyond just being a snack. There's actually an art to eating kerupuk. Some people love to eat them whole, biting straight into that big crispy circle, while others prefer to break them into smaller pieces to savor the crunch bit by bit. In some parts of Indonesia, people even crumble kerupuk into their soup or over their rice, adding a crunchy element to every bite. How do you like to enjoy your kerupuk? In 2011, a group of students in Yogyakarta created a giant kerupuk measuring over 8 meters in diameter to celebrate Indonesia's Independence Day. It was fried in a specially made pan and required several people to lift and turn. This event made it into the Indonesian World Records Museum. Kerupuk production has embraced technology. While traditional methods still exist, many manufacturers now use automated machines to produce kerupuk on a large scale. These machines can cut, shape, and fry kerupuk much faster than by hand, ensuring that there's always a steady supply of this beloved snack. But don't worry, many of these factories still follow traditional recipes to keep that authentic taste. Kerupuk is a thriving business, especially for small-scale entrepreneurs in Indonesia. Many families run home-based kerupuk production businesses, selling their unique flavors in local markets or directly to customers. It's also a popular street food, often sold by vendors at traffic lights, beaches, and festivals. For many, kerupuk is not just a snack but a way of life and a source of livelihood. The way kerupuk is packaged can also be quite unique. Traditionally, kerupuk was often sold wrapped in banana leaves to keep them fresh and maintain their crispness. In modern times, you'll find kerupuk packaged in airtight plastic bags or even vacuum sealed to preserve their shelf life. However, some local markets still prefer the traditional methods, as the banana leaves are believed to add a subtle flavor to the kerupuk. There are some interesting myths and superstitions surrounding kerupuk. It's believed that if a piece of kerupuk breaks into an even number of pieces when bitten, it's a sign of good luck. Conversely, if it breaks into an odd number of pieces, it might mean the opposite. This quirky superstition shows just how much kerupuk is ingrained in the local culture. And there you have it. Some unknown facts about kerupuk, the beloved crispy snack of Indonesia. Which fact surprised you the most? And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.